Every year, as the new year is about to turn the corner, we start thinking about all the great habits that we will start building, or the number of books that we will end up reading in that year, or the number of exercise that we will start introducing in our lives. The question is that at the start of the year, nothing is going to change. It is just a date that is going to change over. That's it, nothing else. Whatever you are doing will continue as it is. So the question is, why do you need to wait till a certain point in time to start doing what you need to do right now? Change is always very slow. It does not happen overnight. It's not as if you will wake up in the morning and then you'll be filled with all kinds of energy and you will start executing upon the 10 different new habits which are going to make you productive in 2026 and they'll be out of the world. That is not going to happen. Habits take time to form, and as you progress through the process of building a new habit, every day is not perfect as well. There may be 10 things that you might have listed for yourself to accomplish in that given day, but it may just turn out that you might just be able to accomplish 5 of them. The important thing is that you are conscious about them, that this is something that needs to be done, and you need to tick them off, and you still have it on your radar. The closing note is that please continue to execute the Rule 02, which I talked about earlier. The link will come up on the video if you would want to watch that. It is something that also happened with me this morning. I woke up, I had a long late last night, and then in the morning, I just couldn't get myself to do all the stuff that I wanted to do. So I thought, okay, you know what, let me just wake up and do my morning routine that I've talked about as well, and then I'll go back to sleep. And then it just so happened that as I got into my morning routine and things progressed forward, I did not uh, feel the wish to go back to sleep. So things progress, just get them rolling and you will get them done. I hope this was useful and thank you for watching today.